Yardbirds 2, Foxy's Revenge. Yeah, we played this game in,
Vegas?
no, it wasn't Vegas. It was on the way to Graceland.
Oh.
Let's see. These are all 1 cent denoms, yep. Let's see. $2?
Yeah.
Got more free play in, too. $2.60, got our bet back. Got a bet, get a bet, get a bet.
Look, little chicken. Watch.
Chicken leg!
Chicken wing.
And then chicken. Then wishbone pops up too, don't it?
Yeah, one did earlier.
Oh, there's an egg and there's a wishbone.
Oh. How cool is that?
Do they run across because they're gonna give us a bonus, or?
You gotta feed them chickens and eggs. Chicken wings.
All right,
Oh, there's the wishbones.
our ADD is getting the best of us.
Hey, those machines are
Oh,
awesome.
there's the free spins in the back though. But this is a fairly new game.
Hey, buddy.
Yes, no, yes. Good, bad.
Ooh, that's interesting.
880. One more.
Bonus time? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, it is. Come on.
I just think.
We're just gonna play with the things on the screen.
No other machines have things like that. It's different.
And we, if we don't win today a lot, then we still win because we get to go to Taco Bell, Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Hey, he's dancing for us.
Hello, my honey. Hello, my darling. Oh, it's bazooka, I mean. Front. One more. Oh, you missed. $5? Oh, look, they just came on. They weren't working before. Oh, wait, they went out.
They go off when you're
Yep.
in the middle of the spin. You can't change your bet. Wild! Oh,
$12. Thank you.
yes.
The bonus on here is really fun. But we haven't seen number 2. Yep, there's a couple. There's 3 of them. There's the free spins, the bonus. What are you doing?
Chicken and egg bonus.
Hello, my honey. Hello, my darling. Give me a bonus too. Oh, we're running low. Come on now. Oh. $20. It hurt me at my plea for help.
Yeah, it did.
Keep going. Now a bonus. For thousands and thousands and thousands of pennies.
Us touching it helps. Gets it excited. It just sits over here in the corner of the casino. It's all dusty.
Yeah. Pins. 320. I thought we were gonna get them all the way across. I think the one we played last time was just the chicken bonus. Chicken and egg bonus.
He's dancing again. Hey, Bubba, wake up.
One more. Come on. Come on. Alright, you know I pleaded to you before. Oh, I hit me. That's what I get for being clumsy.
This one's for fun.
48 cents. Don't even have enough for another one. Well, that was fun.
It was fun.
But we got caught with egg on our face.